My father used to call me Munim ji. My brain just works as Excel spreadsheets. And gaur khattash wali dal જોઈએ મને. And then for them, they have their separate Panju food. I must admit that my dandiyas have injured a few people. I think Magajmari is emerging as my favorite word. The key to having fun is to keep reinventing yourself and doing different things. And I'm very fondly called by all my friends as Thepla Ninja.
Hi Namita,
Hi.
welcome to my podcast.
I'm so excited, Karishma, because this is my first ever podcast in Gujarati.
Yay!
And I'm a proud Gujju, so I've been really waiting to speak in Gujarati.
Gujarati. You know, that's what the novelty of this podcast is.
Yeah,
Ke I want to bring the Gujarati roots alive, you know,
yes.
with my Gujarati guests.
Absolutely. It's so fun. I'm really looking forward
અને
to it.
તો હું કેમ છો કહું કે હું કહું ધંધા પાણી કેવા ચાલે છે?
Always kemcho. Majama.
મજામાં.
I think those are the only two words that non-Gujjus know, right?
Yeah, non-Gujjus.
Kemcho and majama.
Majama.
And then everybody calls me Namita Ben.
હા. That
Right?
is, so I think,
That's it.
given.
That's it.
Karishma Ben કેમ છો? I said,
Karishma
what
Ben.
Ben? Just because I'm a Gujarati Ben, you know?
Namita Ben.
હા, એ પણ Ben નહીં, Ben.
Ben. Namita Ben.
So Namita, the whole India knows you as Pharma because of Shark Tank, and 3 seasons हुए अभी तक. So how was the whole experience?
I think it's been fantastic. None of us, when we got into it, thought it would become this big.
Yeah.
And the show is fabulous because it's teaching what I learned in business school to the masses through very simple and fun storytelling. So, I go to airports and then 9-year-old kids to 60-year-old grandmothers who come and start talking about EBITDA and cost of acquisition and equity, and that's wonderful to see.
Wow. મતલબ did that Gujarati, આપણે કહીએ ને કે ગુજરાતીઓ એટલે business mind હોય. એવું કહેવામાં આવે કે ગુજરાતી છે તો યાર business તો ખૂન છે આપણામાં, આપણામાં blood છે. So that DNA helped you in become an entrepreneur?
Definitely. So, my father used to call me Munim ji.
વાહ.
When I was a kid, because I was always doing hisab pani nahi kahi aapne. And I was very good at hisab, so he's like, tu chartered accountant bani ja, this is meant for you. So I was always very good with numbers, and even when you see me at the tank, I always want to know the numbers, whether it's the pricing or the sales or the valuation or the competitive benchmarks. My brain just works as Excel spreadsheets. So I think that Munimji tag.
Munimji helped.
I don't know, a lot of Gujju households where they're traders. With my grandfather, I used to sit for hours and pela rokada na hoy, sponge ma hath nakhi awo ganwanu. You remember? So I used to sit with my dada, Ramanlal Dada, and big wads of cash he used to have, and he should give me some cash, and he used to sit, have some cash. He'd put on Hemant Kumar songs in the background. And चल अबे गणवानु शुरू कर तू, and then that sponge, that wet sponge, and
अगर wet sponge ना हो तो
yes, so. But those are some of my best childhood memories.
Wow.
Rokada, Ganwana, Dada Sathe.
Wow.
So I have some very good Gujju, very pure blood Gujju memories.
I'm so glad કે being a Gujarati કોએ લગન કરવા માટે જલ્દી ફોર્સ નહીં કર્યું કે કે છોકરી છે તો રસોડામાં જ જશે. Instead of that, you started, counting rokda, which is so nice.
I started counting rokda very early. I think I was like 8 or 9 when I was given the counting rokda job.
True Gujarati.
True Gujarati.
Also, I got to know that Ronnie Screwwala, who made Swades, you got inspired with his film story, that you were in the US and you came to India.
Yes.
How was that experience? What happened to you? Tell me something about it.
So, I've always been very patriotic, very nationalistic at heart, and I always felt that, apna country mane kai karvu જોઈએ. That's important.
બહુ જરૂરી છે.
And so then I fell in love and got married, and then I was like, my God, now I'm in the US, and it was like, I want to go back, but somehow you just get busy and it never happens. And then I saw Swades, and something in me, it touched my core so deeply. I'm not the crying type, but I cried for hours that day, and then that's the day my journey began in terms of how do I convince my husband to move back. And I'm one of those very persistent people, so I worked at it, I tried everything I could till I could convince him to move to India and give it a chance. So Ronnie's movie is a one that was a trigger to get me to strategize on how I move back. And so I'm eternally grateful to that movie. And then I had fun with Ronnie as a co-star.
Exactly.
Of course, I've known him before because he came as a speaker for my entrepreneurship academy that I run for teens.
Right.
And he's so gracious and so charming and so intelligent.
And this season, he's with you as a
Yes,
shark.
yes. So I've known him for a while, but you know, as a co-shark, the experience was different, and he's wonderful.
Yeah. Did you tell him the whole story?
Oh, of course, he
your
knows
film
about it. He knows
inspired-
about it from years back when I called him as a speaker at my academy.
Oh, wow.
And I think he just didn't know what to say. He was a bit speechless, but it was a very authentic and real story, and I just conveyed my very heartfelt gratitude to him.
Wow. What a story. Because when I was reading the questions, I'm like, wow, this Swades really inspired her.
Yeah, I'm a filmy person in general. Like, my sons are Viru and Jed. I'm
coming
a
to-
filmy person in general, but there has been a lot of film influences in my life as well.
Like, you are like a hardcore Mr. Bachchan fan. Matlab, if people
Absolutely.
don't know, her kids are called Jay and Veer.
Yeah.
Inspired by Sholay.
It's true. I'm a very hardcore Mr. Bachchan fan. And then I shot with him twice for Kaun Banega Karodpati.
Wow.
And I'm called Basanti by everyone because I can't shut up. But with him, I was speechless. He still got that aura, that presence, which is so fabulous. So
मतलब
that was beautiful.
व्यूज है रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे माँ लगते हैं.
I think I have not every, but a lot of Mr. Bachchan's dialogues and songs memorized. I'm quite the nerd.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm gonna ask you all of this in the end of the episode. For
Looking
sure.
forward to it.
But Namita, you are a Gujarati.
Yeah.
પણ પુણે થી. અને husband વિકાસ પંજાબી.
Yeah.
તો ઘરે ખાવાનું શું બને?
Oh, that's a great question. So, I like typical Gujju food because, we put gol khatash, a little
badam.
sugar in everything. So now it's summer and I like my ras rotli. And everybody will be like, अरे रोटी के साथ मीठा चीज कौन
मैं भी
खाता है?
वैसे
you
मेरे
know?
साथ भी रोटी के साथ मीठा नहीं
Yeah,
होता.
but everything I like, even my dal, apni Gujarati
Gujarati
dal
dal.
has a little sugar in it. So I like that. Even my thepla is a little sweet. So my food is made separate. And then my two
Because-
boys and Vic are true blood Punjabis. They only want their chole and their paneer and their aloo paratha and all of that. So we actually every day have two types of cuisine made at home. I like my Gujju hardcore
So this is
tindora anu
Namita-
શાક and everything.
નમિતાનો ડાયટ છે ટિંડોળા
મને મારું શાક રોટલી જોઈએ and ગોળ ખટાશ વાળી દાળ જોઈએ મને, and then for them they have their separate Panju food. So it's quite a challenge for my cook, but he survived.
But don't you try to like give them કે થોડું ગુજરાતી ખાવાનું ખાઈ લો?
I tried, but it's not worked, so I've given up at this point. I'm like, khud kha lo, bahut ho gaya.
Do they know how to speak Gujarati, the kids?
No, they don't know how to speak it, but they understand it, which is good. And Gujarati, that way, is an easy language to understand. So when my relatives come from Ahmedabad, or when we go for weddings to Ahmedabad or Navsari, they understand, they fit in.
They fit in.
Yeah.
You know any Gujarati songs or you like Garba? I want to know all of your Gujarati roots.
I'm very grateful to my mother because at some point she realized કે આ છોકરી તો સાવ બગડી ગઈ છે, બહુ westernized થઈ ગઈ છે અને આના છોકરાઓ શું થશે કોને ખબર. So she started having these annual Garba parties and she would call an entire troupe of dancers from Ahmedabad and she would call live singers from Ahmedabad. And
Wow.
all of us would dress up not in lehengas but chanya choli. આપણી typical law garden હોય ને અમદાવાદમાં ત્યાં ચણિયા ચોળી મળે, super with that traditional jewelry. And then of course Sanedo and all, we would like do Garba and I'm not the best dancer and I must admit that my dandiyas have injured a few people in an attempt to be synchronized. But I have at least enjoyed those Garba parties. And now my mom has moved from a Garba parties to Undhiyu parties. So every January she has these some 15 chefs come from Surat and make a bunch of Undhiyu.
મેં સાંભળ્યું છે ને સુરતમાં ઉબાડું
Bahut saras. They make very nice, Undhiyu and all that typical Gujju khawanu. And then we serve that to all our guests. So January is our annual Undhiyu party that I absolutely look forward to.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
I really like it.
Love it.
Mohanthal and Sukhdi and
My
all of
dad
that.
used to love Mohanthal.
Yeah, I love Mohanthal. I love Sukhdi.
Sukhdi.
And all of that.
Son Papdi.
Oh yeah, Son Papdi not so much, but my favorite would be Mohanthal and Sukhdi I really like.
You know Kopra Pak?
Copra Park, yeah.
મારી મારી દાદી
Copra Park is very nice.
Jare-
And Jews make it a little more sweet than probably Maharashtrian would, you know.
Ah.
Well, Maharashtrians make Copra Park too, but theirs is a lot milder. I think we just infuse extra sugar in everything.
everything. My dadi used to make like a lot of copra
Yeah, delicious. no?
delicious.
And those memories stay with you. Right?
Stays with you.
My dadi used to make sukhdi for me. So for every exam, as prasad, you know, before the exam, she would make sukhdi. So I have such lovely memories of her making sukhdi. Ke, this is your good luck charm for the exam. And then of course she took full credit for me becoming a chartered accountant at 21. It's all that sukhdi I made for you. And I'm like, yes, ba, tame barabar bolya.
અને અને આપણે જ્યારે કોઈ એક્ઝામમાં જઈએ કે કોઈ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કામ માટે જઈએ તો
Yeah.
મમ્મી આપણને દહીં અને
દહીં
સાકર
અને
આપે.
જીરું.
અચ્છા જીરું.
અમારા ત્યાં દહીં અને જીરું આપે.
અચ્છા મારે ત્યાં દહીં અને સાકર.
દહીં, ગોળ અને જીરું.
ઓ
ત્રણે એક ચમચીમાં હોય ને પછી એ લઈ લેવાનું.
યુ ઈટ ઇટ. આઈ એમ શ્યોર બહુ બધા ગુજરાતી ઘરોમાં હજી પણ આ ટ્રેડિશન.
અમારા ત્યાં દહીં ગોળ જીરું આ ત્રણ વસ્તુ હોય જ એટલે કહીએ કરો દહીં ગોળ જીરું ખાઈને જવાનું તમે બહાર. ઓફકોર્સ નાવ વિથ એજ I don't do it as much. And you know, I'm become a little off rituals because
Yeah.
I saw excessive rituals that suffocated a lot of women in my family.
Yeah.
And so I became a little anti-rituals.
Okay.
But I do have good memories
Yeah.
from my childhood of all those dahi gol jeeru days.
wow. Sometimes my mom does it. Sometimes
Yeah,
you know like, we've grown up and all that. So.
Yeah.
But tell me, Namita, do you plan to go in politics or represent our country?
God.
Do you want to like become a finance minister?
You know, I think to be in politics, you have to be a little tactful, and I have no filter. I'm a little.
You will learn.
I don't know if I want to learn because I think I
that is
like
also-
myself the way I am. I have no filter. I say what I want, and I don't think that's a great skill for any politician.
Yeah.
So I don't think I'll be a good one.
Okay.
I'll get in a lot of trouble, which I think is best avoided.
How do you describe your leadership style? Has it evolved over years? Do you think?
I think that's a great question. So yes, it has. Earlier, because I was Munimji, I used to be only about my Excel and numbers. And I think I'm tuned in a lot more to my gut instinct. So I do a lot of yoga, meditation, and I've become a calmer person, I hope. And that has helped me tune in to my inner voice. And I feel that's your best teacher. And sometimes your best decisions come from that. So with age, that's a good development.
તમારા career you must have faced a lot of challenges also, ups and downs also, failures, sometimes good times. So I want to know all of your journey. How do you deal with these kind of cases?
I think every failure, every trolling, everything said about you just makes you a stronger person.
You get trolled?
A lot. I get called Nepo Kid, Papa Ki Pari, overacting ki dukaan.
એ પણ આપણો fault.
Yeah, baddu. So it's
Baddu.
okay. You know, after a while, you just become so strong and it just makes you so thick-skinned that it's a good thing. If you look at every setback, every trolling is a learning experience. It just makes you evolve as a person. And if તમે strong થઈ જાઓ તો સારું છે ને.
એક્ઝેક્ટલી અને
In the
એને
end, it
પાપાની
works out.
પરી પણ છે પણ મહેનત તો કરી છે ને કે ખાલી ગલ્લા પર બેસી છે.
You know what? At some point, લોકોને હવે આન્સર આપવાનું બંધ કરી નાખો.
મગજ
મગજમારી.
મગજમારી.
I love that word. That just came out of nowhere. મગજમારી. શું કરવું છે આ બધી મગજમારી? જવા દો, જેને જે કહેવું હોય કહેવા દો. મને કંઈ લેવું દેવું નથી. આપણે આ મગજમારી નથી કરવી. આપણે આપણું મગજ રોકડામાં નાખીએ.
એક્ઝેક્ટલી બેસ્ટ છે.
Absolutely. રોકડા બનાવવામાં મગજ નાખીએ. આ બધું મગજમારી નથી કરવું.
આઈ લવ ધીસ વર્ડ રોકડા.
રોકડા is a favorite word of any businesswoman.
Any businesswoman. Okay, talking about business, જ્યારે COVID-19 આવ્યું હતું, જ્યારે COVID hit થયું, did it affect your business? And if it did, how did you overcome it? And I want to know your experience and આગળ જે પીઢી આવે છે, એ લોકો અગર problems face કરે and you know there's a dip in the career and the business growth, how do you deal with it?
You know, COVID affected a lot of people in many ways. I'll talk about the business and then the personal. In business, because we were in pharmaceuticals, we were going to office every day. We were probably a minority who was showing up at office every day because we had to keep the manufacturing going and make sure doctors got the medicines and there were no shortages. And I think that was fantastic service that the pharma sector did for the country.
Right.
In terms of personal, it gave us a lot of gratitude, right? Because at some point, આપણે બધા શું કરીએ કે we take it for granted, our health.
Correct.
And COVID was like a wake-up call કે ભાઈ, you know,
Yeah.
appreciate the good health that you have.
I think that helped a lot of people.
You,
I
take it for,
realized
you don't
that
take it for granted anymore.
for the first time I realized we have a life.
Yeah.
Enjoy that.
Yeah.
Respect that.
You have a lot of gratitude. You develop it gives you a reality check, a wake-up call.
I agree. I totally agree. How do you?
Yeah.
One thing I always wanted to, know from entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
How do you balance your personal life and your professional life? You know, it's very difficult sometimes because I'm also managing. My husband is also a non-actor, nothing to do with my industry. And when I'm on the set, I have to also manage my personal life with him. That I'm giving him enough time that he doesn't feel that I'm only on the set. So it's like a challenge, and we have to balance it. How do you balance being a pharma?
Honestly, there's no balance. Because I've said this very often. When I prioritize my work, my kids and many other family members hate me for it. So there's a lot of hate, there's a lot you have to deal with. When I prioritize my family at times I've been taunted as a part-time kar rahi hai. I just took off for 2 hours to attend a PTA meeting. That's not part-time.
Exactly.
So, it's like damn if you do, damn if you don't. There's no balance. You just have to wake up every morning, make your to-do list, be at peace with what you've decided and get on with life. Magajmari nahi karni. I think Magajmari is emerging as my favorite word.
I love it. As females, the unique challenges we have to face, as an entrepreneur. How do you address it, and what would you want to, advise to our, female entrepreneurs who are aspiring and all that? We generally always face these little challenges in life.
We are conditioned to be this Meena Kumari, self-sacrificing, perfect woman, the good girl.
Yeah.
And એટલે ના બોલવાની આપણાને બહુ તકલીફ થાય. We are not good at saying no. તો હું બધાને કહું એટલે I have a lot of younger cousins, nieces, and I tell all of them that પહેલા તમે ના બોલતા શીખો. It's very
બહુ
important.
important છે ને?
And die, that word die. Die chokri, die chokri, die chokri. To be labeled die chokri, very often we give up on our needs and our aspirations.
Correct.
So it's nice to be die, but not die at the cost of giving up what's important to you.
Yeah.
So I think that ના બોલતા શીખો. દર વખતે કંઈ ડાઈ બનવાની જરૂર નથી. થોડું પોતાનું ध्यान રાખો તમે. A couple of things I think women need to do more.
And that's
self-love.
Exactly. That's the attitude you have. That's why you're pharma right now.
I don't know, but I think people don't understand there's a difference between selfish
Correct.
and self-love.
Self-love.
So very often when I take out time for myself to do things for myself, I'm labeled selfish. And earlier that used to bother me and I'm like, no, this is self-love and it's important.
It is unbelievable. There was a reality show where I did and I was tagged as selfish.
Oh,
and
God.
as you said, in the start, it affected me a lot that because we sometimes think selfish is a very wrong word.
Yeah.
But if you think, 5 minutes if you think, selfish is actually a good word
It's a good
because
thing.
you're thinking about yourself.
It's a good thing.
તમારા માટે કોઈ નથી ઊભું.
It's a good thing.
It's a very good thing that
I
I'm at least
completely agree.
thinking about
એકદમ
myself.
સારી વાત કરી છે તે.
है ना?
हाँ.
Selfish is a good
Very
thing.
true. Very true.
I have a lot of respect for myself. If I respect myself, people will respect me.
Absolutely.
તો એમાં selfish છું તો ચાલે.
Completely agree with
है
you.
ना?
Very, very true. But like talking about breaking stereotypes, I must say, Karishma, that I really admire you for breaking stereotypes. I mean, just the sheer diversity of things you've done. You've done Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi, like a very stereotypical TV show. Then you've gone on to win Fear Factor. You've done Jhalak Dikhla Ja. You've done Big Boss. You've done movie in Sanju. And then you've done a totally de-glam powerhouse acting in Scoop, which by the way I love.
Thank you.
So I love the fact that you have done so many different things that are all very diverse, and that's fabulous. So people who tend to typecast you in a certain mold, you said bhaad bhi jaye.
I see.
I'll be what I want to be. So my compliments to you for
Thank you.
that. From one woman to another.
Yay!
Since we're talking about women in sisterhood,
I know.
I thought this is a good time to mention that the reason I was excited to meet you is because I just love the way you have broken stereotypes.
Thank you. Trust me, it was a challenge for me.
Yeah, and I've read about your journey, about how your family, being a typical Gujju family, was forcing you to get married and have kids, and was very against a career in television.
Right.
And how you and your dad butted heads, and that whole journey of being a self-made person, coming from a very middle-class family to now, like you said, being an entrepreneur and having your own restaurant.
Yes.
And doing so many multiple things.
Yes.
You You're a self-made lady.
Thank you.
You've done it all on your own, and I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, Namita. You just made my day and
With
my
the fact
podcast. I
mean
love
it.
it.
You know, jo sach hai, wo sach hai.
Thank you, Namita. Where do you see your pharma 5 years or 10 years down the line? Do you have like a plan? Do you have a vision?
You know, it's all about rokada. Like,
Of course, rokda
we got to keep growing. We got to keep increasing the sales. We got to keep increasing the valuation. And right now I'm excited because our customers used to be doctors and now I'm going direct to consumer. I'm launching an entire range of women's health products that I'm super excited about because you're learning new things. You know, the marketing and sales when you're selling to a doctor versus an end consumer, which is the masses, is very different.
Correct.
So I'm learning this whole new world. I'm excited about that launch. So the good thing about a family business is you get the chance to be a founder and have your own baby even within the family business.
Anna, it's a lot of fun.
It's fun. The key to having fun is to keep reinventing yourself and doing different things.
Yeah, that's such a cool thought. I love it. Interesting
It's
thought.
fun. It's fun. It's fun.
Like you
Majja, like, you know, my other favorite Gujju word.
Majjani
Jalsa,
life.
jalsa. You go to Ahmedabad and jalsa kariye. Aaj apne jalsa kariye.
I know.
So I think Majjani life from Munna Bhai.
Munnani,
You know, it's like that juice pivanu, carom ramvanu, Majjani life and jalsa. You have to do a little jalsa and majja in life. Otherwise, what's the point?
What's the point? I totally agree. With this attitude, I love it. You know, I want you to tell all these aspiring entrepreneurs who are coming.
Yeah.
What is one advice you would want to give them?
You know, work hard. Like, I work extremely hard.
Like from childhood, what was
Yes,
your...
I've always worked hard. So I always had to come first in class. I became a CA at the age of 21. I was the first girl to go abroad without getting married, which was a big thing in my Gujju traditional
course.
family. I did my MBA. I worked there for many years. And then I moved back to join the family business. So I've always been a very hard-working person. But I think now I have more of a balance.
Yeah.
I know how to work hard, but to have a good time as well. It's important to have fun at work. And it's important to take care of yourself and have fun outside of work as well.
Wow.
So that's the advice I'd give. Like, you know, life's too short, build memories.
Wow. That's a great advice you've given. Do you have any mentor?
I have many mentors. And more than my family, my mentors have really changed me, shaped me, and made me who I am. So I think it's important to have mentors.
Yeah, very important.
Yeah.
Like my mentor, I would say my mother.
Yeah.
I would say, like, she was like the backbone of my career, I would say.
Yeah.
If she would have not pushed me.
She's always been your champion. I saw
Always,
that in your podcast.
Yeah.
I think that's beautiful.
Seriously, if she would have not been there, matlab, coming out from a typical Gujarati family to this industry would have been a challenge for me.
Absolutely.
So,
I agree. My mom broke a lot of stereotypes in her day and age. She got married at the age of 19.
same, my
She
mom.
had me when she was like 20 or 21. And she went into such a traditional Gujju family. Vaal kaapvanu allowed natu, sleeveless પહેરવાનું allowed natu. You know, they were very highly educated women, but there were some Gujju traditions around how you look and how you behave. And you know, my mother came from an Anavil Brahmin Gujju family, and my father was from a Jain family, so their wedding was opposed, though they were both Gujaratis.
But
So then she literally ran away and got married, and I think there were 2 people from a family who attended a wedding. So she was quite rebellious, even back in the day.
And that helps, huh?
Yes, it helps. And she was quite a feminist back in the day because she was like, you know, I'm cutting my hair, I'm wearing sleeveless, and I'm doing what the hell I want.
Wow.
And she made sure that her daughter, the one thing she kept telling me is girls need to be financially independent. She just drilled that in my head. And I'm so grateful for that.
Yeah, we need to be independent because we also have a mind of our own.
Absolutely.
People generally, women don't understand that. So I want to, like, you know, inspire more and more.
Yes.
That's why I was asking you, like, what kind of advice you would want to give. So then they listen and it just drills in there.
You know, and what happens is you watch this half-hour podcast, which I do very often of others as well. And if there's one thing that sticks with you, it's good ROI on that half an hour spent.
Yeah. Any entrepreneurs or business leaders you admire, Namita?
Many, but I'm not going to name them. I always get into trouble.
Acha, but many.
Many.
You do admire.
Many. I do, and I read up on them, I look up to them, and I really celebrate their journeys.
So Namita, I'm gonna play a fun game in my
my
last
God, okay.
segment.
Okay.
And it's called the rapid fire.
Okay.
And it's a lot of fun because આપણે બધું ગુજરાતીમાં કરવાના છે.
That'll be nice. I
Huh?
love rapid fire.
Yeah. So I'm going to ask you a few questions and you have to
Sure.
ફટાફટ answer me.
હા ચાલશે મજા આવશે
હા તમારું favorite ગુજ્જુ phrase.
લોહી પીવા જન્મી છે આ છોકરી. Has anybody ever told you that? આ તો લોહી પીવા જન્મી છે.
મારી મમ્મી મારી બેનને કીધું છે.
મને કીધું છે 2-3 વાર. આ તો
લોહી
લોહી પીવા જન્મી છે આ છોકરી. Yeah, it's brutal.
It's too funny.
Yeah.
ગુજ્જુ word you use the most.
ગધેડો.
ગધેડો.
Yeah, I love it.
નકામી.
નકામી છોકરી છે પણ તું ગધેડો છે.
તું ગધેડો છે.
I actually use it for people I really like.
હા yeah. I call कुत्रा.
Oh my god. That's like very
people
kutte kamine type.
People I really love, I just say kutra and kutri.
Yeah.
And because I have a dog and I take
Yeah,
that
I
as
saw your dog. Very cute. A poodle, right? Yeah.
No, a Shih Tzu.
Oh, a Shih Tzu.
Shih Tzu.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Cute.
Like my kutru.
Kutru. No, for me, that term of endearment is gadhedo.
Gadero. Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Favorite Gujju compliment.
આ તો સાવ નફટ છે.
Please tell everybody what is nafat.
Nafat means doesn't give a damn, thick-skinned, you know.
And people call you that?
And I think that's great. I used to be very emotional earlier. तो अभी जब when they tell me ना तो साव नफट छे, I love it.
Love it, no? Your favorite Gujju song?
Sanedo, Sanedo.
Sanedo, Sanedo, Sanedo.
Oh, that's a typical Garba song.
Hey,
Na?
so what
I
was the
love
step?
it. I don't remember the step, but I have danced on this song.
Wow.
I love that
I
song.
love it.
It's very cute.
I love
very
these Gujju
cute.
roots we have.
Yes, yes, celebrating our Gujjuness.
I know.
Two Banes.
Two Banes are sitting
Two Banes.
અને podcast કરી
પોડકાસ્ટ કરી રહ્યા છે હોલમાં બેસીને. સ્નેક્સ ક્યાં ગયા? તું ચા लाई અને સ્નેક્સ ના लाई ગધેડી?
જો મારું બજેટ જ નથી
હા
snakes.
બાપરે આ બહુ ગધેડી છોકરી છે. ચા लाई સ્નેક્સ ના लाई હોલમાં બેસાડ્યું આટલું અને સ્નેક્સ નથી. ક્યાં તું નકામી છે સાવ નકામી છે આ છોકરી. Now the Gujjuness is coming out.
Coming out, I love it. Your favorite Gujju movie scene?
Oh, I love that one. There are two.
Huh.
I love that one in Kal Ho Na Ho where Satish Shah dances on G-U-J-J-U. And I even know what it stands for. G is for Gantia, U is for Undhyu, T is for... J is for Jamnagar.
Oh.
And then J is for Jammanu.
Oh.
And U is for you. That I didn't understand. Why did the last you have to be you? Don't ask me. And then I love, you know, Raju Hirani is a good friend of mine. I love that scene in Three Idiots. ये आपके क्या words है? ढोकला, हांडवा, फाफड़ा, थेपला. ऐसे लगता है जैसे कि कोई मिसाइल फेंक रहा है और 400 लोग यहाँ घायल हो गए, 200 मर गए. So cute.
It is very cute.
And it does sound like atom bombs, you know.
Actually, after that only I started-
Khakra. Use khakra also. They really sound very larger than life.
Handwa.
Handwa, khakra, fafda, dhokla. They do
It's
sound.
all
Yeah, and they sound very missile.
Yeah, very.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
That was
I
a
think
good-
that's very cute.
Very good movie scene actually.
very good movie scene. I love it.
Your favorite Gujju food?
લગનની ગોળ ખટાશ વાળી દાળ.
મન થઈ ગયું યાર નમિતા.
I love that ગોળ ખટાશની દાળ, ઊંધિયું,
Love it.
થેપલા, oof.
છુંદો.
Where to start? Everything I like.
बंद कर देते पॉडकास्ट खाना खाने
Yeah,
चलते.
I'm getting hungry.
खाली खाने चलते.
Thinking about it, I'm feeling hungry. You know, I love going to Ahmedabad, that place Vishala.
Oh yeah.
Where you sit on the floor and then you just have that
What-
thali. And then you go into complete food coma after that meal. But
Yeah.
it's beautiful.
Then I sleep the whole
Yeah,
day.
I love Vishala. I always go there whenever I go to Ahmedabad. And Swati Snacks.
Swati Snacks.
Swati Snacks and Vishala. Every true
Pankis.
blood Panki. Every true blood Gujju has to love
Has
that.
to love
है ना?
it. I agree.
Panki, my God, how do they make it so thin? And that khandvi also.
My mama makes it so I'm gonna send
Khandvi.
it. Wow.
Oh my God.
Love
We need
it.
food. I'm
need
bhook lagi che.
One business term in Gujju.
Rokda. I said I've said it 20 times on this show already. Rokda.
I love this word.
Yeah, it's very important.
રોકડા ક્યાં છે? મારા husband ને પૂછવાની છે રોકડા.
Rokda. It's all, show me the money. Show me the rokda. You know.
One Mr. Bachchan dialogue in Gujju.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, this is a good one. You know that movie Satte Pe Satta when Amitabh is drinking and sitting with Amjad Khan? तू बहु दारू पीस तो तारू लिवर खराब થઈ જશે. बहु दारू ના પીતી તારું liver ખરાબ થઈ જશે છોકરી. That's a good one.
That's a good one. Yeah.
Liver peen. How many times have our parents told us that and repeated that in Gujarati, right?
Yeah. And then?
Mr. Bachchan is Bachchan. No matter what language you speak in dialogues, and
I
they will
love him.
sound like magic.
Yeah, I just love him.
Yeah, he's amazing.
Legend.
Legend.
Okay, the last one.
Yes.
What is your Guju nickname?
Oh, I think somebody from my team has leaked that out to you. So I do have a Guju nickname, and I'm very fondly called by all my friends as Thepla Ninja.
Why so?
Because I love my theplas.
And
And even just like we spoke about khaman and khanvi and all, they have to be made just right. Theplas have to be made just right. You know, I'm a big foodie. That's another sign of a Gujju. Gujjus
મોડું જ બંધ ના
love their food.
આપણું
So,
મોડું જ
you know,
બંધ
you're a true blood Gujju if you can talk with such passion about your Gujju food. Correct, na?
I think after this podcast we'll
You know, we need to go have lunch. Thali. Let's go to some place and have nice Gujju thali.
Yeah, with chutney ne gold
Yes,
ne
yes,
achar ne.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm sure there are like so many Gujju delicacies and so many Gujju food I've missed out on. But I think for today that's enough. Otherwise we're going to sound like it's a food show versus a podcast. She's laughing there. She's like, it is sounding like a food show.
Is it?
You know, I'm like, we've seen two women in podcasts and in shows ogling over, like, you know, actors and Bollywood stars. But this level of food, bhakti, only two Gujju men can do, you know. You can just sit and talk 20 minutes about just food.
Yeah. And on my podcast, you are my first female guest.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice.
Thank you,
Do the men talk with this much love about their Gujju food?
Jaggu sir spoke.
Oh, he did? He
Hansel
did.
sir spoke because he's also a cook.
Ah,
So he
how
spoke
nice.
a lot about Gujju.
Good, so that I don't feel like the only bukkad here.
No. They all spoke about curry and meethi dal and thepla and
Very nice, very
So
nice.
yes. So thank
Lovely.
you.
Thank you,
Namita.
thank you, Karishma. Like I said, I'm the first woman on your show and you're the first Gujju podcast I've done. So we are both special for each other.
Yes.
And, you know, it's so weird because I've done 2-3 shows in Marathi.
Right.
I love Marathi as a language. And I've been wanting to do something in Gujarati.
And it?
Again, to speak a little Gujarati, to talk about Gujju stuff.
Yeah.
And this just kind of happened.
Yeah.
So I'm so glad it did.
Thank you.
Thank you.
so
Thank you so
much.
much. It's really cute. Oh my God. Does it have theplas in it?
No. So this is
Thank you.
one
Thank you
little
so much.
gift
Thank
from
you.
us.
I really enjoyed myself. I have a gift for you too.
Oh.
So one of my Shark Tank founders dedicated a perfume to me. It's called Expertise, whether you believe it or not. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
And it's really nice. I like it. And you know, we dedicate
How
the proceeds to a very nice NGO that is very close to my heart. So I hope you like it.
Thank you so much. I love it.
Thank you. Two women gifting each other stuff.
Love it. And you look so hot here.
Oh
by the
God,
way.
thank you.
So
Thank
pretty.
You. Thank you.